Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome to this new episode. So if you're looking to get a cash app card under 18, you've landed on the right video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to get a cash app card under 18 without a parent. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we go any further, I would like you to check the video description for a complete guide on how to get a cash app card without a parent approval. Okay, you can check this from the video description as all the steps have been detailedly explained, so you won't miss anything out. So typically, if you have a cash app account and you are above 18 years of age, or you are 18 or plus, you should be able to access this cash card tab and get your free cash app tag. Okay, so if you aren't 18 years of age, things might get a little complicated for you, because you will definitely need a parent approval. And for the parent to approve or to add you as a teen under their family account, they will definitely need to come to the account section and go to the family tab, and from there they will just need to click invite 18. Okay, but since you're looking for a way to get around this without having the approval of your parent, I'm going to show you the best and straightforward way to get this. Okay, so the first method that you can use is to check around your household if there is someone, maybe your sibling, that's above 18 years of age and uses cash app. Okay, and then from there you can request if you can have their cash app, or have them request a cash app card for you. And for them to do this, you need to come to the cash card tab and click get free card. Okay, from here you have to customize your card, or just select a random card and then click order card. And then next you have to enter a valid address, then proceed to the next step to get your cash app card in the mail. Alright, so this method should work best for you if there is a sibling or a family member in your household that is ready to order a cash app card for you. Alright, or that is just willing to give you their cash app card for use. So the other method that you can use to get a cash app card under 18 without a parent is to reach out to cash app support and explain the issue to them. Okay, so to do this, you just tap on your account profile at the top right corner and scroll until you see support. Enter into the support, and then you want to directly click on this cash app support, which is going to give you an automated response, but I'll prefer you scroll until you find the cash app card. Okay, so once on this page, you just scroll until you see chat. So click on that chat and select not about a transaction. So here you should be able to reach out to cash app directly. Okay, all you have to do is to tell them that for some reasons you can't get a parent approval, if in case you aren't able to get a parent approval for getting your cash app card, and then you tell them that you are ready to verify any other methods that's available for teens of your age, and then you get your cash app card without any issues. Just explain things to them and be sincere with your explanation. Tell them everything that you actually need them to know, and they should get back to you in not more than a day or two. So those are just the two ways that you can use to get a cash app card without a parent. Okay, the first is to ask around your household if there is a sibling or a family member that's ready to give you their cash app card for use, or you can reach out to cash app support and tell them why you actually can't get a cash app card without a parent. Okay, so I hope you found this video actually helpful. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss any content from us. Okay, I catch you in the next episode.